Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft Defender. Okay. So first up, as you can see here, I am under Settings app. And as you can see, the only option is Terminate, Repair and Reset. Okay. While you cannot permanently delete it, there's a way that you can disable it permanently. Okay. Just go ahead over to your search bar and type in gpedit.msc. Okay. Once done, just hit on Enter. Now the local group policy editor will open. I'm just going to maximize this one. Now I'm going to go ahead over to computer configuration right here. Like so. There you go. Now I'm going to click on administrative templates. Double click on it. Now in here, go ahead over to Windows components. Double click. Now look for Microsoft Defender antivirus right here. Double click on it. Now in here, look for a policy called Turn Off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double click on it. Now, in here, it says not configured, right? You're going to want to go ahead and hit on Enable. Okay. As it says here, turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So you'd answer yes. And in this case, select Enable. Okay. Once done, just hit on Apply. Hit on OK. And Microsoft Defender will be disabled in your system. That's basically how you do it. Okay. Again, there's no direct way to uninstall it, but you can just disable it from the local group policy editor. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.